You want to see some Gaelic metalcore on the Isle of Skye? How about an artist who live codes electronic music while they perform?
An envelope of 2.
Plus a whole cohort of insanely talented up-and-coming metal acts from across the UK. Well, have I got news for you. This is Dún Ruin Festival. It is happening on Friday 15th and Saturday 16th of May 2026 in Kyleakin. It's a 2-day event, and yes, you can camp. And as mentioned, Gún Ruil, the world's only Gaelic metalcore band, will be playing, as will be Switch Angel. Get to know them. It's incredible. Fellow Scots Below the Neck, From Tyranny and Atlantic Rift are also on the show, and also making the journey north are heavy hitters Echelon, Overthrown, Rosenbridge and Divinitas. I am personally very excited to see these bands because they sound amazing. So if any or all of that takes your fancy, you better act now, because this is an indoor festival, so tickets have a capacity, and I've seen enough screenshots to know that a lot of you are already coming. Buy a ticket, Asavat, Igus Hishingshiv, Sakecha.